Hey everybody, my name is Ethen Ostroff. Today we're going to talk about workplace accidents, what you should do, the first few steps. But before we get to that, make sure to hit that subscribe button, follow along, where I will make sure that your future injury case is protected. So, workplace injury. It is extremely stressful to get hurt while you are at your workplace. You're worried that maybe your boss might get mad at you. You're worried that you might lose your job. You're worried that your injury will keep you from being able to keep that dinner on your table. I totally understand this is an extremely stressful situation, especially with inflation, with things going on in the country. There's a lot at stake if you get hurt and cannot perform your job. First thing you do after a workplace injury, go tell your supervisor immediately, hey, I was just on the conveyor belt and my finger got ran through it. I can't do what I was doing before and building the widgets that I do every day. If you don't tell them, then they have an excuse to say that they didn't know. Just go simply tell them. Tell your supervisor what happened. Ask for them to make an incident report and tell them that you'd like to go see a doctor within the workers' compensation plan. Don't just go see a doctor on your own dime. You have doctors in your insurance plan that are exactly there for this purpose, getting hurt on a workplace injury. If you did get hurt, this is exactly the reason why your employer has workers' compensation insurance to pay for people who get hurt inevitably on jobs that they're going to get hurt on. Workplaces are dangerous places sometimes. If you work in fracking, if you work in machinery, if you work in an auto industry, you're working on an assembly line, there are a lot of fast-moving things that can cause injuries. Just make sure that it was something that is just covered under workers' compensation, because you might, if a product that you're working on is defective, have both a workers' compensation claim and a personal injury case. Candidly, the personal injury case is typically worth a little bit more, but you can still get a great recovery in your workers' compensation case. But talk to both a workers' compensation lawyer and a personal injury lawyer about your workplace injury, because you may have money that you're leaving on the table if you don't do so. If you ever have any questions, make sure to hit that subscribe button, follow along if you can reach out to me directly, and I will connect you with someone who can make sure to get you the best representation possible for your workplace injury. I hope you're not going through something, but I'm here for you if you are. Thanks so much.